Yes, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm VJ and you're now watching another episode of my reaction for today. For today guys, I think I'm gonna watch, this is actually a recommendation to me. This is actually outside K-pop and P-pop or any groups relating to music, but this is like a skit. So it's content of Esner. I was told to watch like 3 episodes of this, so I think I'm just gonna start with episode 1, and this is high school crush moments. Let's get started, guys. Okay.
Minsan nakakapagod maging estudyante, no? Yung tipong
this is really like a drama, you know?
Pasok mo pa lang, uwi ka na. Ikaw, be,
yes.
saan ka pumapasok? Para maglaro ng ganda-gandahan, kahit di naman. Para sa pangarap.
I love the presentation of this video. Like, I'm reminded of the Jamich couple, right? They also do this kind of drama-like series, something like that.
May, para sa iyo to. Para sa baon, malamang. Para makita ang barkada.
Yeah, true. There are a lot of, different types of high school classmates. There are those who bully, those who are messy, those who are maarte, and it's all sorts. And yeah, it's true that, the song of Sharon Cuneta, a high school life is a happy life. And that's true.
Hi, ewan ko sa inyo. Basta ako, pumapasok lang para...
Tagal naman mag-break. Gusto ko na makita mga crush ko.
O, diba? Para lang...
That's mga. So it means to say that she has many crushes.
Sa mga crush ko. Ooh. Yung crush kong varsity player na palaging pinagkakaguluhan.
The same actor. Cool.
Yung poging pambato sa pageant na crush ng bayan.
He's also handsome.
Oh, si Mr. Smart Guy na palaging nasa silid at latan.
During our high school life, I would really prefer to have a crush on smart people, because you can really take inspiration to them, right?
Yung schoolmate kong nagigitara lang,
study hard.
Gusto ko nang pakasalan.
A musician, a talented one.
Baka nga pati yung tambay sa tindahan, malapit ko ng patulan.
Goodbye and thank you.
Oh,
Ma'am Kat.
Before we dismiss, I have some announcements.
Dami naman pa, Emi.
You will have your new classmate and who will be joining our class starting.
This is really so relatable. Like, we all experience that in high school. There are really teachers who are, marami pang sinasabi kahit it's time to go out na, di ba?
Tomorrow. Tapos magbabantay pa ako ng kapatid sa bahay. Tapos...
Hi guys, my name is Sean.
Ooh.
Pero kahit gaano man kadami yung crush ko dyan, siya pa rin talaga yung number 1.
Okay. Makes sense. He's so handsome. I don't know. I think he is the school's heartthrob or something like that. Esner. Okay, a disclaimer.
Number 7B.
Simulan natin sa classroom. Di ba dapat makikinig sa klase? Hindi yung pasulyap-sulyap sa kaklase.
13B. 14, 15, Charlie.
16, C. 17, B. 8, C, D.
24. Okay, walang tamang answer dito. Right, bonus. 25, D. 26.
Okay, 48, Charlie. 49, Alpha. 50, C. Okay, return your papers to the owners, ha? Right corrected by. Sino nag-check na paper ko?
Paano po ba ako?
There's a sparkling moment. Eee.
Anong manalaman? Hanap? Ba't naman ako maghanap ng mga ano? Wala naman ako hinahanap dito. Eh, kanina hindi naman ako nakatingin sa'yo.
Ako kasi nag-check ng test paper mo. Nice one.
Super assuming naman, no? Siya lang pala nag-check ng paper. At ang nakakatawa pa nito, baka 0 siya, di ba?
Nice one.
At least there's 1. Anyway, that's so embarrassing.
Buti na lang may bonus.
Ayun ka klase.
The truth is, 0 talaga. Buti na lang bonus yung isa, di ba? Okay.
Inaasar niyo ng pabiro,
Lover's quarrel.
pero nahuhulog na pala patago.
Sus! Ano yun?
Galing mo, pre!
Hoy, Jomer Taya, gumalis ka nga.
Oh yes, there are really some of our classmates like that in high school. They're like and Jerry, you know. At the end, you know, they fell in love with each other.
Huwag kang humarang, isa.
Bilis ka daw dyan!
Ano ba, papansin ka ba?
Balong! Floor wax ka ba?
Mama mo floor walk.
Kasi, crush kita.
Oh,
Madulas.
that's very, very cheesy.
Sana natuluyan.
Pabebe na to.
Balong, ikakagalit ba ng magic sarap?
Umabi ka na nga, ang asim mo.
Kung sa akin mo lang malalasap, ang tunay na sarap.
Dumi ng pusod mo. Alam mo, kadiri ka. Ewan ko sa'yo.
Ewan daw.
Mukha man akong ewan, pero hindi kita ewan.
This is so cheesy.
Balong at tayag, bayag, bayag, bayag.
This is so funny. Anyway, this is so witty, so creative. Oh.
Weirdo.
Alam mo,
Emo.
yalo ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi ang sarap mong isampal sa pader!
Uy, pupunta ba kayo sa trials
Yung
mo?
nagpapapansin ka sa kantin. Hirap ng essay kanina.
Ha, may essay?
Yung crush mo. Precious yung crush mo.
Sabi pagtapos doon ng school eh.
Tulak niyo ako. Tulak niyo ako bakla. Tulak niyo ako.
Okay.
Sorry talaga.
This is really typical in high school life, you know. Like, when you have a crush, your friends are the only ones who know it. But hindi alam ng crush mo, di ba? But yung mga friends mo lang.
Okay lang.
Uy, ba't niyo ako tinulak? May nabala kayong tao. May naman kayo, girl. Ano ba yun?
Una na rin kami, Precious.
Sige.
Kasi parang...
Drink well ka. Text mo ako pag nasa classroom ka na. Sino sunod? Ano sa inyo? Meron po kayong Hello Black? Wala. Tara na, wala siyang Hello Black.
Siyempre, yung aminan sa
Truth or
Truth or
Dare.
Dare.
Bilis na, ayos
Truth
na.
or Dare.
Spin the battle na tayo.
Okay, game.
Kung kanino matatapat to, Truth or Dare, ha? Sige na, start na. Excited na ako! Ikutin na yan!
It's really a typical game in high school. Okay.
Marjeline, sa'yo natapat ha. Truth or Dare?
Ako? Hindi, yung katabi mo.
Sige, truth.
OMG, Truth na!
Okay. I think Marjeline in here is a lesbian.
Okay.
Something.
Ano yung first letter ng crush mo?
Alam ko sino yan.
Pwedeng iba?
Ang daya. Go tell us.
Sige na nga, letter C.
Kaloy? Si Kaloy?
Si Kaloy crush mo?
Tropa ko yan!
Dito na simula lolo't lola ko.
Ikaw, Marjeline. Marjeline at Kaloy! Maloy! Maloy! Maloy!
Maloy.
Si Charlo.
Nasali pa si Bini Maloy, di ba?
Si Charlotte?
Ay, sabi ko sa'yo, sisi! ako na. Excited na ako. Dare?
Okay, Dare. I dare you na umuwi ng bahay, te. Okay, puntahan ng Muse.
Okay, class, the table is now open for the position of Muse. Any nominees?
Ma'am! I nominate Marjeline Diaz for Muse! Marjeline for Muse! Marjeline for Muse! Gusto mo masuntok, ha? Gaya ka sa akin.
Boys at the back, ha? Isa.
Uy, huwag niyo ako i-nominate, ha? Ayoko ng responsibilidad.
Ma'am, I
Yung mga may pilingera talaga, no?
highly nominate myself as Muse. Ay, namin ang gamot yan!
Tama ka na ba yung? Itulog mo yan!
Mukha ba ako nabibiro na? Ay, sorry, ma'am. I highly nominate Charlotte po pala!
I love that again. It just means that naging Muse na rin siya. And I love the blonde hair, you know, maarte type of girl.
Panalo na yan! Let's give it to us.
And, you know, the most famous girl classmate.
Okay, we have Miss Charlotte. Any other nominees?
Uy, huwag niyo nga ako i-nominate. Busy akong tao. Di naman talaga. Sige na, ma'am. Close mo na yan, ma'am. May sure win na, ma'am. May sure win na. Eh, di wag.
Okay, wala na ba, class? Close na natin yung nomination. Any other
Ma'am,
objection?
I highly nominate Precious as my muse.
Oh! May pa talaga.
No, mas mukhang escort yan eh.
Yung nagpapalusot para makalabas at makaharot. Charot!
For our lesson for ma'am? Yes? May I go out? Yes, you may.
Game time.
Okay, class, now. Esophagus.
May I go to the restroom?
Again?
Iihi lang po.
Bilisan mo. Esophagus, habang tayo ay kumakain. Okay, next we will tackle about the intestines. Naiihi ka na naman.
Yes po.
Sasakit talaga yung tiyan niya. Ang dami na nang kinain.
Okay, can someone give me the function of... Oh, ano na naman excuse mo?
Ma'am, andyan po kasi yung parcel ko sa labas. Naka-COD po.
Now, class, lastly, we have anus. No!
Hindi ma'am, totoo po ma'am, sakit na po yung tiyan ko.
Kanina ka pa, Miss De La Cruz, hi, papag-guidance na kita.
Ma'am, promise po ma'am. Ma'am.
Okay, now, the food that has been digested is what we call feces. Class, ba't amoy feces?
Natatiming pa talaga sa class.
Bawo, parang tubol na yan ah.
Oh my God, what's the smell?
Foundation Day. Ito na yung
Yes. And during foundation day, there are blind dates, you know. And that's also a very exciting moment, exciting period in high school.
pagkakataon mo para magpapansin sa crush mo.
Kita niyo yung wedding booth na yan? Ikasal niyo ako kay Sean. Bili na kayo ng juice sa kantin.
Thank you. Ganyan, panalo na. Kain.
Ikaw ba si Sean?
Opo.
Sumama ka sa akin. Basta.
Bakit po? Pre.
Sumama ka sa akin.
Tagal.
Ikaw ba si Precious?
Po, yes po.
Sama ka sa amin.
Saan po tayo pupunta?
Ate.
Uy, huwag niyo ako ikasal! Hindi niyo ba ako papasasan? Uy, ba't niyo ako kikulong? Uy, tubusin niyo ako, please! Pautang!
Kumahilig ka!
Dapat sa wedding boot ako eh. Ano ba? Bitawan mo nga ako isa! Ayoko nga nito! Ano ba to?
Oh, the other one.
Patong ko lang bunto! Ayoko nito!
Si Marjeline yung nanalo.
Husband and wife. You may now hug the bride. Sila Sean ba yun? Kinasal siya sa iba. Sige, subukan mo. Sige, isa. Sasapakin kita.
Parang sa high school din, no? Marami tayong classmate na tomboy, pero maganda. Tapos gusto nating ireto sa, you know, lalaki.
Gogi, kala ko nga. Sa'yo ng wedding boot. Nakita mo yan, tala natin yung 4th year, tambak na na.
Pangit ng foundation day na to. Sana umabsent na lang ako.
Oh, baklaran, baklaran. Dalawa na lang, baklaran, baklaran dito.
Tapos yung background pa talaga, yung kanta ni Yeng na Jeepney Love Story.
Oh, usog na lang sa kanan. Kaya pa isa. Usog, usog, usog.
Ooh.
Paso yung ano.
Dapat lang suyuin mo ako. Saan yung pogi?
Wala na, bumaba na. Sayang kape.
Oh, that's all? Wow. That's a very great script. Those moments are really typical in during our high school days, so it's so relatable. We can relate to it. All those funny moments there, you know, it really happens. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for actually recommending me to watch this series. I think so. There's episode 2, The Heartbreak Experience, and then there's another one 4 days ago, High School Section Wars, and these all happened during high school life, you know. Anyway, that's from Esner, and I think I'm just, you know, I'm gonna subscribe. Thank you so much for recommending to me, and yeah, I'm gonna watch those other series in my next episode. For now, guys, thank you and bye-bye.